All right, so I've hidden some of the geometry on this character, and I want to just make a few small changes. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go into sculpt mode, and I'm going to go to my flatten contrast tool. I'm going to make sure that the strength is fairly strong, and I'm going to take the radius up a bit. And I'm just going to, on the back side of this, I just want to flatten him out. Get this head a little less of a round ball, and just get it to seem a little more like something that might be sitting on a neck or some shoulders or whatever the case might be. I'm not going to get too extravagant or too crazy about it. And note, again, I do have my symmetry on X enabled, so that what happens on one side of the mesh, depending on what you're doing, is going to happen on the other side. But we'll just go ahead and do that. And I think I'm going to try the multi-scrape plane tool. I'm going to take my strength down. I might leave the radius up a little bit. And we'll just kind of move along here and see what we get. But just kind of scraping. Maybe I'll take the strength up a little bit more. But basically I'm just trying to change the front of this nose a bit, or muzzle or beak or whatever it happens to actually be. I'm not quite sure yet. But the nice thing about what I'm doing right now is I'm able to make these changes without making any changes to the geometry that I hid in the last video. That geometry is largely safe from my accidentally messing it up. So there's something like that. And then I think I'll leave it like that for the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to push Alt-H to show the hidden geometry. And I will go back into object mode. And then I will go back into object mode and take a look at what we have on this guy now.